Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So I've got a lot of requests from people asking me to make some very easy to make soap which will give an instant glow on the skin. If at all you have any function to attend or any festival during festival times. So I thought of bringing a very easy to make soap for y'all today. Again, this is a melt and pour soap for the base that we make. This is a goat milk soap base, and we are going to be making an Ubtan soap today. We are going to be using this Ubtan powder. This Ubtan powder is also something which we make ourselves. I don't buy the Ubtan powder from the market. So this has all lovely benefits, lovely herbs and a lot of ingredients which will give you that instant glow on your skin. You will see the result, you will see the effect on the first use itself. So we'll quickly start with the making of this very easy to make soap, and in case anyone wants to join my workshops to learn how to make these Ubtan powders, how to make these soap bases, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. You will get all the upcoming workshop details. So we'll quickly go ahead and melt our base first. Okay, so we've gone ahead and melted our base here. And now we'll go ahead and add our Ubtan powder. This powder has a very good fragrance in itself. Even if we don't add any fragrance oil or essential oil, it will still leave a very, very nice fragrance. But I am going to, just to enhance this, I am going to add a little bit of rose essential oil to this, just to give it that very, very soothing and calming effect while taking a shower. And we'll just mix this well. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed this well here, and now we will go ahead and pour this in our mold. And just to remove all the air bubbles that we have here, we will spray this with 99% rubbing alcohol. So you all can see how all the bubbles have just gone away. And once this cools down completely, we'll go ahead and unmold the soap. So after keeping it in the mold for some time, I've gone ahead and unmolded the soap, and this is how our Ubtan soap looks like. It's ready to use now. You don't need to cure the soap or anything. You can instantly start using the soap after unmolding it, and this will definitely help you all get a clear skin, a glowing skin, and with regular use, you will see your complexion change with this Ubtan soap. It's very easy to make. Once you know how to make the Ubtan powder, it's very, very simple to use the base and make the soap. I hope you all like the videos that I share with you all, and if you all do like it, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends as well, so I can come up with such more new and interesting videos. Thank you so much everyone.